What's going on, everybody? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and we are in the Turbo GMC today, and we're just about ready to hook up our MSD two-step. So let's get to it. I have the box sitting right here. I think there's a flat spot actually on the firewall, like right here, that it's going to sit real nice, and you still have access to the dials to change the RPM. So for right now, we're going to leave it sit right here just to get it hooked up. We have the line routed. We'll zip tie that up real nice and neat. It's actually super simple to hook up. You unplug your factory coil pack, one on each side of course. You're going to plug this end into the factory harness, or the factory coil pack harness rather. That snaps in, and then this end you just plug the factory end right into it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand here. There it is. Snap that in. We'll put this safety in when I have two hands. That's really about all there is to hooking this up. Plugging in the coil packs with the MSD adapter, mounting the box, and you just hook one of these two wires up. I guess you could hook both up if you really wanted to, but one operates off ground, the other operates off 12 volt, and that's what actually activates the two-step. So I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do that inside yet, or whether we're going to use the brake pedal or we're going to use a momentary switch, but we'll figure that out. We'll get this mounted and get the lead run inside, and then we'll finish that up and we'll have a two-step. I changed my mind where I mounted this two-step. Actually on these trucks, at least on my truck, there's two studs off the firewall, one there, one there. If you enlarge the holes just ever so slightly with the drill bit, it fits right in place there. You don't have to drill any holes. It's for ground wires, but there's enough thread there to get a nut on. So that's where we're going to mount it, and of course you can see the dials right there, very accessible. So nice clean look, no holes to drill. We got the two-step completely installed here. As you can see, I got it mounted there nice and neat. Everything's zip tied back up, plugged in. I have the trigger wire. I am using, it looks like the blue and white wire, so that's the 12 volt switch that runs inside. Let me shut this. Runs inside here, and what I did is I actually put a rocker switch right here so I can turn the two-step on and off, and then I hooked it into the power side of the brake pedal. So if I hold the brake pedal in and this is to the on side, it activates the two-step, and right now it's set at about 2800. So let's check it out. Brake on, switch on. There we have two-step. Switch off. Right on up past. So it's working as planned. We'll turn that on, and we'll see how much boost we can make on a. It is warm. It's warmed up, and we're at 2800 RPMs, I believe. So let's see what we can do here for boost. So we made just about 4 to 4.5 pounds. So not terrible. I think I will step that up a little bit. I think it'll launch a little harder with that turned up, but right now we're going to leave it at 2800 and just play with that. Two-step works awesome, super simple again to install. I really like the way I have that hooked up with the interrupting switch, the rocker switch here. So if you want to, power brake, do a burnout on the line, or not on the line, you don't want to do burnouts on the line. If you want to do a burnout in the water box, you can turn that off. You have full capability, RPM capability, and then when you're on the line, you hit that switch. As soon as you release the brake, it releases the two-step, and you're off. That is the install for MSD two-step on a LS series motor. I think it actually works on any LS, from a 4.8 to a LS7 427. So just plugs in, one wire hookup, you're done.